Hello everyone, I'm Sumulata. In today's class, we are going to discuss about preparation methods for chlorine and also chemical reactions and the chemical properties of chlorine. Okay, we can see about these things in today's class. Before going to that one, if you want to know complete information about this chapter and also previous chapters, you can check in playlist. I have uploaded maximum most of the important topics in my channel, so try to utilize it. If you feel useful and informative, please do subscribe, share these videos to your known people, mention your words in comment box, is it useful or not, and like also. Okay, then we will start our class. Chlorine. Chlorine discovered in the year 1774. First we can see about preparation methods for chlorine. Then after we will go to discuss about chemical properties or chemical reactions of chlorine with certain elements, metals, non-metals, and also hydrogen containing compounds, and also complex compounds. Okay, yes. If you see preparation methods of chlorine, first one, laboratory preparation methods 3 are there, and another one is Decon's process, and fifth one is the electrolytic preparation method. Okay, we can see about first laboratory preparation methods. Laboratory preparation methods. First preparation method, if you see, manganese dioxide, MnO2, manganese dioxide heated with hydrochloric acid, manganese dioxide heated with hydrochloric acid, then you will get manganese dichloride and chlorine gas and also water. Okay, water and manganese dichloride are the byproducts. Okay, second reaction, you can see second one, this is first, second reaction. See, second reaction here also same, manganese dioxide reacting with common salt NaCl and also H2SO4. H2SO4, manganese dioxide reacting with the mixture of common salt and H2SO4, then they will form MnCl2 and chlorine gas. Next one is 4 moles of NaHSO4, sodium bisulfate. Along with this we will also get water, 2 moles of water. Okay, yes, that compound is the sodium bisulfite. Next one, you can see third preparation method. If you see, third preparation method is potassium permanganate, KMnO4. You can take 2 moles KMnO4 reacting with hydrochloric acid. This hydrochloric acid you need to take 16 moles of HCl, then you will get potassium chloride, manganese dichloride, MnCl2. Next 8 moles of water, and then the remaining will be the chlorine. See, 4 2 2s are 4 plus 2 6, so 10 moles of chlorine remaining, so that you need to take 5 Cl2 molecules, so 5 2s are 10. Okay, Cl2 gas. These three are the laboratory preparation methods. Then coming to next one, Decon's process. Decon's process is nothing but here hydrochloric acid reacting with water, then you will get chlorine. 2 moles of chlorine gas and 2 moles of water will be formed. This is the Decon's process. This reaction is the Decon's process. Okay, remember. And fifth one is electrolytic preparation method. Common salt, you need to take brine solution here, 2 moles of brine solution, along with this water also. Okay, then you will get here water also 2 moles, so 2 moles of NaOH formed, and chlorine gas, Cl2 gas, and also H2 gas. Okay, yes, see, this is the electrolytic preparation method. This is the electrolytic preparation method. Okay. First, previous three are the laboratory preparation methods, Decon's process, and this one is the electrolytic preparation method. Okay. We can see about next one, properties of chlorine and chemical reactions of chlorine. Okay. Yes. Chemical reactions, you can see chemical reactions. Chlorine react with metals, non-metals, as well as hydrogen containing compounds, and also hydrocarbons. Okay, so many reactions we are going to observe. See, first one, chlorine reactions with metals. Okay, first metals, 2 moles aluminum reacting with 2 moles aluminum reacting with 3 moles of chlorine, you will get 2 moles of aluminum trichloride, AlCl3. In the same way, 2 moles of iron reacts with 3 moles of chlorine gas, you will get 2 moles of FeCl3. Okay. Then next one, sodium reacting with chlorine, then it will form sodium chloride. Sodium reacting with chlorine, it will form sodium chloride. And next one, you can see sulfur in the form of S8 reacting with chlorine. Okay, 6 moles of Cl2, then you will get 4 moles of S2 Cl2. See, this is the dimeric form of monochloride, sulfur monochloride. We have discussed already oxygen family. Okay. And then P4 also reacting with the chlorine. P4 reacting with the chlorine, you will get 4 moles of PCl3. 4 moles of PCl3. See, here it is 4 moles you can take, then it will be balanced. 4 to the 8. Yes, completed. Here you can take 6 moles. So, completed. 6 to the 12, 4 to the 12. That's enough. Okay. Then coming to next one. If you see next reaction, here one more thing, C10H16 decane. This is the decane, C10H16 reacting with the chlorine. Okay, reacting with the chlorine, then it will form 16 moles of hydrochloric acid and 10 moles of carbon. In this, carbon is in the form of graphite. Then coming to chlorine reacts with hydrogen containing compounds. You can see chlorine reacts with hydrogen containing compounds. H2S, you can take H2S reacting with chlorine, you will get hydrochloric acid and also sulfur in the form of solid. Okay. Next one is hydrogen gas reacting with Cl2 gas, then you will get hydrochloric acid. Okay. Then coming to next one, chlorine reacts with excess of ammonia, then it will form ammonium chloride and nitrogen gas. You can see excess of ammonia. So 8 moles ammonia you can take plus 3 moles of Cl2 will gives you 6 moles of ammonium chloride, NH4Cl plus N2 gas. Okay. Then coming to next one, chlorine reacts with excess of chlorine reacts with limited amount of ammonia. So NH3 reacts with chlorine, you will get NCl3 and hydrochloric acid. Okay. This is one reaction. And one more thing you can observe here, chlorine reacts with water. Cl2 reacts with water, H2O, then it will form hydrochloric acid and nascent oxygen. This reaction used in bleaching reactions. Okay, this one used in the formed oxygen react with colored compounds, then it will gives you colorless compounds. See, colored compound plus oxygen, nascent oxygen will gives you colorless compound. Okay, colorless compound. Just remember, try to note all these reactions. We will move to next chemical reactions. Yes, next chemical reaction you can see, chlorine reacts with NaOH. in two conditions. First one is diluted cold NaOH, second condition is concentrated hot and concentrated NaOH. You can see what are the products in these two cases. 2 moles of cold and diluted NaOH you can take. Cold and diluted NaOH if you take, then you will get here see, this is Cl2 gas, you will get NaOCl, NaCl and water, NaOCl. Sodium chloride, hypochlorite, sodium hypochlorite, this one, okay. Next reaction, hot and concentrated NaOH you can take. Hot and concentrated NaOH if you take, see, 3 moles chlorine you can take. NClO3 chlorate, sodium chlorate, NaClO3, sorry, not N, NaClO3 sodium chlorate. Next 5 moles of NaCl, 5 moles of NaCl, 3 2 6, yes, 6 chlorines completed. Next remaining one is the water, 3 oxygens, 3 oxygens, 6 oxygens, okay, enough, okay. This is about cold and diluted NaOH, hot and concentrated NaOH. In the same way, chlorine reacts with iron. So, ferrous converts into ferric. You can see that reaction also. FeSO4, 2 moles you can take, reacts with sulfuric acid and chlorine. In presence of sulfuric acid, chlorine, okay. Then you will get Fe2SO4 taken thrice. Fe2SO4 taken thrice. Say this is the +2 oxidation state, ferrous, okay, na ferrous sulfate. This is the +3 oxidation state, ferric sulfate, okay. Then what are the remaining products here? See, remaining, see, this one completed, only hydrogen and chlorine are there, so that 2 moles of hydrochloric acid will be formed, okay. Then another complex reaction is sodium sulfate, Na2SO3 reacts with chlorine, Cl2, Na2SO3 reacts with chlorine. It will form in presence of water also, okay, in presence of water also. So you will get Na2SO4 plus 2 moles of hydrochloric acid, Na2SO4 plus 2 moles of hydrochloric. This is sodium sulfite and this one is the sodium sulfate, okay. Then next reaction, if you see next reaction, sulfur dioxide reacts with chlorine and also water also there, okay. Here it will form, you can take 2 moles water, then it will form sulfuric acid, H2SO4 and 2 moles of hydrochloric acid, okay, H2SO4 and 2 moles of hydrochloric acid. Just note all these reactions. We will move to next reactions. Next, chlorine reacts with slaked lime, CaOH taken twice. Chlorine reacts with slaked lime, CaOH taken twice. 2 moles of Cl2 gas you need to take. Then it will form bleaching powder, CaOCl taken twice. See, CaOCl taken twice and CaCl2, and remaining one is water. See, water, 2 moles of water. See, this is the bleaching powder, the mixture of CaOCl twice, CaCl2, water, and along with that dry slaked lime. The mixture of these 4 compounds will become the bleaching powder, okay. Then next reactions, if you see, chlorine also reacting with hydrocarbons, you can see Methane, you can take methane. CH4 is the methane. Okay, it will reacts with chlorine. It will form chloroform, CHCl3 and hydrochloric acid, chloroform. Okay, and the next reaction is C2H4. Ethene you can take. Ethene, chlorine reacts with ethane. It will form C2H4Cl2. Okay, 1,2-diethyl chloride. 1,2-diethyl chloride. Okay, na diethyl chloride. This one. Okay. And these are the chemical reactions of chlorine. Okay, I think you are all understand about this one. If you feel useful and informative, please do subscribe, share these videos to your known people. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Okay, we will meet in the next class. Bye, I love you.